Here we are, April 28th, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, up at Carnelian Bay, North Shore Lake Tahoe. And, yep, you got it. It's snowing. In fact, it's been snowing for the last 2 days. And the other night we had howling winds. It was up Mount Rose, the winds were over 125 miles an hour, and they were gusting to 60 down here at the lake. And I was worried about some of these trees blowing down onto the property, but fortunately we didn't have any damage at all. But it certainly woke me up and kept me up for a few hours. I mean, rarely lasts that long, the wind gust. But feels like winter. It's about 28 degrees. They've had chain controls on Interstate 80 for the last 2 days. A lot of people are bummed out. Of course, the ski areas have gotten a ton of snow, but only Squaw Valley is open, so they're the ones who are going to reap the harvest. Anybody who wants to put their hard-earned money down and still go skiing, everybody else closed down because it's just not economically worth it, which happens every year. Everybody shuts down a few weeks after Easter, except for some diehards who might stay open till May. So, there you have it. Guess that guy was trying to run me over, but he didn't. April 28th, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 2010.